I'm going to discuss about visual programming. And what is visual programming is it's a kind of programming language. In the computer science, we have know about a lot of programming languages like C, C++, Java, and etc. And visual programming is also a kind of programming language. Comparing other language, visual program have two phases. One is designing, another one is coding. In other programming language, we have only coding phase. We can develop a coding and get a output only. But in a visual programming, we can do both things. We can design an application and we will make a coding in a single application or a single tool. So only it's called graphical user interface. So that's only it's called as a guide application. And this one, how do we enter in visual programming? In our subject, we have visual programming tools. We have a lot of versions, but the standard version is Visual Basic 6.0. This is the most advanced, and every application supports in this versions only. And the way of entering Visual Programming 6.0, now computer, you already installed Visual Basic Programming in the sense, just go to the Start, All Programs, and Microsoft Visual Studio and get Visual Studio 6.0. Then you get a window like this. In this window, we have a lot of options. These options are called variety of projects. We have standard EXE, active DLL. Everything is one kind of projects. In a basic way or in a beginner, basically choosing standard EXE. If you want to choose any other applications, but this is a standard project way. So just select standard EXE and get open. If you choose open, next window will be open. And the next window is a working window. If you don't want to enter in the project window, if you want to quit, just click in a window. You have a close button. Just click the close button or press Alt F4 in your keyboard, or just select exit from a file menu. And these three options you will get out of the window, or otherwise next you will get a working window. In the working window, we have options of IDE. So IDE in the sense integrated development environment. Integrated development environment in the sense you will include all the things from a single window. You don't want to connect any other application, or you don't want to connect any other pages. In a single page, you will include all the things. So only called IDE. In the next window, we will get a working window. In the working window, we will see what are the things available. So this is what a Visual Basic working window. So you can see a lot of things in the working window. Everything will be included in a single page. So this is what working window of Visual Basic. At the top, this is called title bar. In this title bar display the name of the project. As a default name is project 1. If you want to change the name, just say the project and change the name of the project. Next one is called menu bar. This menu bar includes all the menus like file, edit, view, project, format, like this. If you want to do anything in this window, you can choose the options from the menus. Next one is called toolbar. Toolbar in the sense, it will display the standard things or the repeated things what you using those menus, that will be displayed in a toolbar. Next, this one is called toolbox. This toolbox have all the animation tools. Using these animation tools, you can design application. We have used a lot of application in our mobile, in our system. Everything will have a different designs. So all the designs done using these animation tools. And this box is called Project Explorer. It will be display the name of the project and how many forms display in this project. So the form is called every page of the application. Every single page of the application is called forms. Next, this one is a property window. This property window include the designing phase form properties. If you want to change anything from this design, you have to change things from properties. And this is called the form. This is the main one, because every design will be done through this form. Menu bar, toolbar, and toolbox. These things what we discussed in a previous window of working window. Then form designer, property window, project explorer. That's also I'm already explained in the working window. And then form layout window and code editor window. So form layout window already discussed. Code editor window only not displayed in the previous screen. Then what displayed in this screen? This This is called code editing window. In this window, how we will get from the project means just double click on the form. If you are getting double click, you will get a coding window. This coding window, it will be display the project name and the form name, because we have lot of pages on every application. So we need to develop a coding on every individual pages. So only it will be display which page coding. So that is form 1. If you are getting form 2, form 3, anything, it will be individually display. And this is the basic coding window. You have to develop a coding in between these two lines. These are the debuilt coding. You have to develop inside this. In this section, we discuss about what is visual programming, how we are going to enter the visual programming, and what are the things available in the project window. Thank you.